Hi there, and good morning. Shannon Cecilia here, and I am going to pull a card for the energy of today. This is 2025-0106 Monday, and the chakra energy is the root chakra. And we have a couple of cards that have jumped out at us, and so yeah, I'm actually going to share one right now, and then I will share them throughout the rest of them throughout the day. There are a total of five. So I'm going to use these for the energy of the week. Excuse me. This is a page of Gabriel, energetic, brave, optimistic, and playful. Follow your passion. You are ready for any challenge, opportunities for excitement and adventure. And this is a beautiful card, and it's sharing with us that we are ready for the journey. The light is illuminating the path, we are guided and supported. And while it may seem that it is barren, there is beautiful energy on the journey that we create as we move forward. And so I invite you to bring in your passion, whatever that is, what lights up your heart, what lights up your soul. Follow that path. And I'll see you again soon. Off for now.